Let me start with Mr. Chadha. Mr. Chadha, now you're a lawyer, you understand this better than I do, okay? I've been told by a few retired judges and lawyers today that I'm splitting hairs in such a serious matter. I'd rather be accused of hair splitting than of hyperbole and hyperventilation. Now, what do you make of what is going on? What do we do with this in the vacuum of information that we have?
All right. First of all, I think the news which came in the morning today in Times of India, TOI, where they have very categorically mentioned that a huge amount of money was found. I feel Times of India is a responsible newspaper of this country, and it has covered everything, and there is no vacuum as such. Now, why? Now there are two very, very important aspects which I would like to say here. One is that this leads to two things. One is the transfer, which has been not liked by many of the lawyers, but that is what the collegium can do at present, number one. And number two, what is being done, that is in-house inquiry, because in the year 1999, a Supreme Court itself has carved out this in-house procedure, that in cases where there is a corruption case, there is any impropriety issue pertaining to a judge of any constitutional court. Constitutional court means High Court and Supreme Court. So in cases where this is there will be an in-house procedure, there will be an in-house inquiry which will be conducted.
Okay.
So there is no vacuum. One line. Second is that things are very clear. They're not going to explain everything that this much thing has been given to us. It has to be in camera.
Okay. So like I said at the beginning of this telecast, as an editor of a news. Okay, fair enough. Mr. Chadha, same question to you. What is reasonable? Because nobody is coming out and saying that nothing happened. What we are now told or understand that there is an in-house inquiry, but the in-house inquiry could be for anything under the sun. What the subject of the inquiry is, we have no idea. So what is a reasonable ask of us of patience? What is the reasonable ask?
As my friend AK has just said, that there is nowhere it is defined as to what is the limit. But you will be surprised to note, please listen these words, very important. Earlier such inquiries, even the judges have not responded to such queries. There is an incident where a question was asked, and rather a judge was asked to appear before the Supreme Court. He has avoided the appearance. This is also an incidence of the history. So we have to keep in mind, we have to look what exactly I want to say here. I would really appreciate what Kapil has said, that we must remain in our limit, no doubt about it. But as always stated, कि जो धुआं उठता है वो कहीं आग चिंगारी जरूर होती तभी धुआं उठता है, पहली चीज. दूसरी चीज, why this, all the chain of incidences which are there, we all are just asking right now a prudent inquiry, which I think has already started, should go on. Number one, in whether it is in-house, as we have said, in-house procedure is there for Supreme Court, which was evolved by itself in the year 1999. So that is there. But on the other hand, today another demand has been raised, and it has been it has been seen that everybody is talking about it, including the Vice President of the country has said that why not a specific and journal inquiry. A question came before, and even a person has also stated that if that kind of cash has come and found with a normal person, me, you, AK or Kapil, anybody, what will happen to that? Everybody knows. There will be a lot of hue and cry.